YouTube. This is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another Dollar Tree haul. So I was at a different store, but they had the little pom-pom makers, which I already have some. They just look like they're different sizes, way smaller than the size I had. So I figured I'd try it out. Don't know how sturdy they are, but hey, you know, I think I'll go ahead and try it out. So I got both of those sizes. I have all three sizes that I've seen anyway. They had a lot of fat quarters, and these are the ones that I did get. I got the, like a little shark, little baby animals, your little pineapple, and then the llama, or as one of our friends calls it, a Lambo. And it's not because she tried to say Lamborghini, but inside joke why she says that. But anyway, that's what we call a real llama. But anyway, so they did have some little plume pom-poms, different colors, you know, definitely winter vibes. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them. I might attach them to a tassel or something. Anyway, so they had two different sets of colors, more the dark winter and then like the muted fall color. So there's little specks of silver inside of theirs in there as well. 25 each. Did get this one stencil because I don't think I've seen this one. It says, "Always believe in the impossible, love what you do and do what you love." Although I do have a quote that says something like that. "Do all things with love, be happy, and hello sunshine." So I don't know if I do have it, but I only figured I'd go ahead and get it. And I wasn't sure on these two if I had these already, because I think I remember the blue and the green and a peach color one like that, but I don't know, I couldn't remember. But these are some straws. And I know I didn't have these other ones, I don't think. I was on similar to that, and then I don't think I have these. I think I have them, I don't know, maybe I do. But this one didn't look familiar. I like the gray in here. I thought it was really cute in the clouds. And then lastly, I like these prints as well. I like a tribal feel. And then also this one with some clouds. Again, it's more the girl version of this one, I would say. Very similar. But they're the same things. That has triangles, this is hearts, both have clouds, both have stars, and then have that stripe. But in muted, you know, more feminine color. And then the last thing I got some stickers. I got 2 of each just because I figured they might run out. And you know how that is. So they had them in different color tones. Like this is in the silver, and it says, "Have a beautiful day. Cheers, vibes. Good morning." And thanks. You got stars and flowers and rainbows, and you can use this in a layout or on an album. Anything you need a title, you can use that for a title. And then in the white, I wish I had black. I don't have black. It says "Girl Power, Selfie, I am strong, unique, queen, and love." And you got your speech bubble with a heart in it and some stars. And then they have it in a bronze glitter. And this says, "Wild one, dream big, create, believe in my story. Follow your heart." And they have some eyelashes and again clouds and arrows. And then the last one is gold. And it says, "You are my sunshine, rise and shine. Be awesome today, be happy, you are loved." And I like the little radiation from the sunshine. So yeah, so I look forward to using these stickers. I think they're really cute to do on a lot of different layouts and stuff. So anyway, that is my little haul from the Dollar Tree. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.